God is the background on whom we all exist. Everything that we see with our eyes, hear with our ears, touch with our hands, and feel with our feet, everything is because of God. Many years ago, when I was studying philosophy, this reality hit me so hard that it brought about a deep conviction. Though I had it here, now it became here. You know, if I write something here, you can't read it. But I know what I've written here. But if there is a board on which you write, then you can read it. So, we exist because God is there. He is the background and we are the foreground. He always is. There was another reality that hit me another time. I remember the day I left home on the 5th of July, 1975. That early morning when I got up, I heard the birds singing. And it just sank into my whole being. The breeze, the smell, the mangoes, everything, I never have forgotten that experience. I can recall it at any time and get back to it. Though the whole situation has changed over 50 years, but that memory is so fresh in me. My dear sisters and brothers, when we become fully present, then we really live. And it is wonderful to live that way. What prevents us from doing this is our ego self.